Hello, how are you today? I hope today you have good healthy and ready to learning about Nirmana. With me, Miss Elida Kristiansari from Visual Communication Design, Nusa Putra University. Let's go! What do you think about this photo? You can see this photo is about telling a concept, nirvana, you can see the composition, rhythm, and then the balance, how to the movement. It is very important to make design nirvana. For material, you can use more material. Choose like from straw, or from the wood or anything you can exploration to use make Nirmana design. Benefit of learning visual elements. Visual elements are the basic for the formation of work of art design. Various body organs form the unity of the human body. Still, this open our mind to absorb the slightest idea to get as much benefit as possible from studying elements of fine art and design. This Phil, what do you think? Can you explain to me? Yeah, this is a plane line whose ends meet each other and create a closed area. The field occupies two-dimensional or space and plane a planet shape of route flat parallel to the dimension of light and width covering the surface. Flattening plasters such as polywood or paper, cardboard, zinc, whiteboard, and other flat planes. Fields are defined the geometric and non-geometric. Besides that there are also virtual fields and geometric plane contrast non-geometric field. They are regulated expression without specific count. This is file expression. The shape of the plane includes both geometric and non-geometric planes. The geometric fields are freely created planes. The main trick of geometric planes are mathematically create planes create so that you can choose you want geometric form or non-geometric. A field can the following assortment of field feature radiance and geometric planes. This organic field radiance or combinant field solid and addition to the plate and break solid plate. The plate is the shape of the plate used usually virtual field. How about the fold? This is a form likeness, world, or image of anything that exists in nature, include work of art or design that can be simplified into point, line, and line plates. And the shape arrangement of points is can you see two-dimension or three-dimension. How about room? Stage in fine art in the area room is object either behind, above, or inside, or generally because the shape can be two-dimensional or three-dimensional. Space also in gel and trimat or called trimatra. Now we were talking about two-dimensional or bilingual space. Dimensions of two-dimensional space is granted the dimension to the about. And then the next about three dimensions. space trimatra. This is a space to really find our real space and our life. The nature of space, open space or envelopment space without space of outside. Can enclose space or confirm until convenience, the symbolic space that is to best give the meaning of symbolism to the present of space, and the natural like microsmos and large natural life in dark space, there is to influence the light to color of painting. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you can understand about my presentation. If you want to ask me, if you can uh, come to my offline class, and then you can use media social to contact me. Thank you so much for your attention. See you again in the next session. Bye bye.